Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer you this exceptional Yamaha XSR125. Registered the 4th of July 2025 on a 25 plate with only 530 miles and presented in Legend White. This stunning retro 125 is packed with a punchy 15 brake horsepower engine and plenty of retro charm. This handsome motorcycle gives you a big bike feel and road presence. From the very first ride, the XSR inspires rider confidence. With ABS, variable valve timing and easy-to-read LCD display, Yamaha simply do not cut corners when it comes to finishing touches like this. The XSR125 won an MCN award, and it's very clear to see why. This superb example comes serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk, or WhatsApp 07359837799. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.